100 years ago, the Titans arrived.
And just like that, everything changed. We knew home was a pen. Humanity, cattle.
In the aftermath of that reckoning, humanity struggles for survival inside a great walled city. Eren Yeager has spent his entire life inside those walls, wondering what's on the other side.
We live in a cage. All we do is eat and sleep.
Unfortunately, he's about to find out.
It's impossible. That wall's 50 meters high.
Because the Titans are back. And they only want one thing. To devour every human on Earth.
The entire city's as good as dead. Shut up for a second. We're trained for this.
Now, Eren and his friends will have no choice but to fight back against impossible odds or die screaming.
If it comes to it, lay down your lives!
The Titans are coming, and humanity is on the menu.
This is it, people! Do or die!
Attack on Titan, premiering this Saturday night at 11:30. Only Toonami on Adult Swim.